Welcome to part 3 of the space project. Now this stage we're going to create a moon. Now I've already added a layer and I've called it moon, obviously. Now first thing to do is to select the ellipse tool, making sure it's a filled shape, and then set your primary at grey and keep your secondary as white. Then holding the shift key, click and drag across. We're going to have this moon being in the sort of edge of the screen, like so. And then use your magic wand, select the moon and go to Effects, Render Clouds. Okay, you can adjust the clouds as you want, scale to make it, I don't like the look of that, I think that's much more realistic, and you can change the roughness. Quite like it looking a little bit rough myself. I'm much happy with that. Press OK. At the moment it looks a little bit flat, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate that layer, pressing the duplicate layer tool, and the moon below, just going to double click into that layer and name it Moon Dark. Now so you can see what's going on, I'm going to hide the moon above, and then I'm going to go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. I'm going to take the contrast brightness right down, and also the contrast right down as well, so basically it's black. Press OK there. Okay, and then on the moon above, I'm going to use my magic wand. I'm going to set the tolerance level to about 67%, select the top layer, and then I'm going to go to Gradient, Radial Gradient, and make sure that it's in transparency mode. And then I'm going to click and drag across the moon like so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a little effect here. My next list, I'm going to have a sun, so I want this brightness being this part of it, and there's the dark side of the moon there. Now last thing I'll do is the top moon, select that one. Going to go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast, and this time I'm going to make that side much brighter and change the contrast a little bit there. Okay, so it gives a bit more of a dynamic effect between light and dark. Okay, and that's how you make a moon. Thank you very much.